stinkiest cheese you
Well, like blue cheese, you know.
I'm sure there are cheeses more stinky than blue.
Oh, probably, yeah.
I don't know much
We're not
about
up on our
stinky
stinky cheeses.
This sounds like a great segment
What? We should do a segment on stinky cheese?
cheeses.
Okay.
Let's just try it.
Yeah, people will tune in for that. Oh, Jill's saying blindfolded. We have to identify.
Let's up the game. Let's do it. Last on the
Oh, a
list.
woman that's fun.
Copy. You're a man that's fun, David. What does that even mean?
I don't know.
All right.
Really, from here through the afternoon, I expect most of us dry. That goes for even the early evening. Murphy, I don't like this forecast either. Hang in there, bud. We're going to be dealing with storm chances going up from about 8 p.m. until about 2 a.m. in the overnight hours. So just a heads up, we are talking about some fairly widespread storms, so we really want to pay attention to the initial line as it is up around the Red River. As far as those threats go, the main threat will be damaging winds up to 70 miles per hour. Large hail will be a possibility as well. And we will continue to watch as those storms dissipate overnight. You wouldn't know looking at this that it's going to turn active. It's so nice out there. 78 degrees with sunshine. We'll continue to climb into the upper 80s.
I love stonefire.
Yeah.
I really do. One of the things that I learned that when you mix ranch with barbecue sauce,
Oh, yeah.
that's a really good dressing, if you will. Learned it there.
They call it ranchicue. It's good. It's really big in Texas. Ranchicue. You get some.
Okay, you're totally. Here's the deal. I lived in Texas, and I'm like
hook, line, and sinker.
No,
I was all in.
That's actually not true.
I'm like,
but-
that's clever.
And the
Ranchicue.
Texans would probably be so offended.
Oh no!
Yes,
Then maybe
so
okay, let's go
offended.
with Colorado. I'll have some Rocky Mountain oysters and a little ranchicue.
He just makes things up, and you fall for it.
Hook, line, and
Don't
sinker.
fall
I was
for
like,
it.
it has a name.
Don't fall
That's
for
brilliant.
Come on, who knows? You know, ginger shots and ranchicue. That's a Friday night.
Ranchicue.
Yeah, I love it. See, I'm so brilliant. I'm telling you, when I'm gone, you guys are going to look back and say, man, the guy was an Einstein. He was ahead of his time.
That 40-point target is always the first achievement. And I remember you talked about that. Hello. You talked about that all the way through. Claudia, I'll be honest, that doesn't look very much like you. We've been joined by, I think, that might be Senora Ranieri, who's trying to help Claudia to get onto the internet. So they're
Keep it together, Kelly.
Listen, we were talking about the 40 points, guys, and about Leicester getting to those 40 points. And you remember, Claudio, from throughout that season, saying that right up on the stage. They were top or near the top of the league, and he's saying, oh, we just need to get to 40 points, and then we're going to give everybody pizza. I mean, how big an influence was he in the way that he handled all of that? I'm asking that to either of you that can hold it together, whichever of you is keeping us.
Oh, sorry. Is that to me? Sorry. I thought Claudio's wife was answering it.
Well, I'm not sure if it is. I may have called you there. I hope it is.
Well, let's hope so.
Good morning, Chris. I'm at Miramar Beach Access 49 here in Walton County, and today is a pretty big day. The beaches are fully reopened for the first time in more than a month. And while some residents are happy, some are not. And one of those people is Walton County resident and Florida lawyer Daniel Ohlfelder. Today he's going to be protesting the beaches being open, all while dressed as the Grim Reaper. And I'm actually joined by him now. I'm going to step out of the frame and hand him the mic so he can explain why he's here and why he is dressed the way that he is. Daniel?
Thank you.